Hey, John.
What's up, Mike? All right, another Misfire, live fire. Huh? I love these things.
Live fire, misfire.
All right.
In under Chapter 135, when you buy ammunition, the retailer is required to record how much ammunition you bought.
Ah, Misfire.
All right.
So what you're referring to from Chapter 135 was, I think it was paragraph 37, section F. It's under Chapter 140, section 123, paragraph H. And what it requires is that the retailer write down a description of the ammunition being sold, along with your, whether the ammunition was sold or leased, your gender, your occupation, your license number. They also have to have you sign and date their new log. We know the state's coming out with an electronic version of this. Right now, as of today's date, retailers are simply required to keep a paper log, but absolutely, a quantity is not a required data point according to the new law.
I'm a little hung up on leased ammunition, but that's a video for another day.
Fair enough, Frank.
Thanks, John.
My pleasure.